Here's a question that keeps some of the world's smartest scientists awake at night. Could a machine ever become smarter than you? Not just better at math, not just faster at searching the internet, but genuinely, across the board, smarter than any human alive. Before we can answer that, we have to ask, what does it actually mean to be smart? Psychologists talk about dozens of different kinds of intelligence: logical, emotional, creative, social. A chess engine can beat the world champion every single time, but that same program has no idea how to comfort a friend or write a poem that makes someone cry. So when we ask, can AI become smarter than humans, we really mean smarter at what? Right now, AI is already superhuman in some remarkable ways. Recently, researchers built an AI system called DeepRare that diagnosed rare diseases more accurately than experienced doctors in head-to-head testing, a result published in Nature in 2026. AI can write code, compose music, translate languages in real time, and master complex video games better than any human ever could. But here's the catch. Each of those systems was built to do exactly one thing. No current AI can wake up, decide it wants to learn something completely new, and just figure it out. That ability to learn anything, anywhere, from scratch is called general intelligence, and it's something humans do without even thinking about it. Scientists call the big goal artificial general intelligence, AGI for short. That's an AI that can learn, reason, and solve problems across any domain, just like a person can. Here's where it gets really interesting. The world's top AI researchers can't even agree on when or whether AGI will ever exist. Some companies predict it could arrive as early as 2027, others say we're decades away, and a handful of serious scientists argue it might be fundamentally impossible with the tools we have today. This isn't a small disagreement, it's a full-blown scientific debate. Here's a mind-bending idea called the intelligence explosion. If an AI ever became smart enough to redesign itself and make itself smarter, that newer, smarter version could redesign itself again and again, getting exponentially more intelligent in days or even hours. Some call this the singularity, the point where AI could race past human intelligence so fast we couldn't follow. Whether that's thrilling or terrifying probably depends on who you ask. Here's what's easy to miss in all of this. Human intelligence isn't just about processing power. We feel, we dream, we build meaning out of chaos. We survived for hundreds of thousands of years by cooperating, creating, and caring about each other. No AI yet understands what it feels like to be afraid, or hopeful, or in love. Whether a machine could ever truly experience those things, not just simulate them, remains one of the deepest open questions in all of science. So, could AI ever become smarter than humans? The honest answer is, we don't know. And that uncertainty is exactly what makes this one of the most fascinating questions of our time. What we do know is this: the researchers, ethicists, and engineers shaping that future are going to need curious, thoughtful minds like yours. If this got you thinking, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Because next time, we're asking, what is AGI? The answers are still being written,